going to be a mama bird soon.
Yes, I am. Here on my nest is the best place to stay. My little baby birdies will be hatching one day.
And when they're grown, they'll go off on their own. They'll sing thank you, Mama, and fly away.